Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we are going to talk about what can we expect to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum within the next couple of hours. So let me show you guys. First of all, congrats, because we had some really nice trades within the last couple of weeks. And as you can see here, the yellow triangle, we broke out of this, basically reached this point, and now we are touching the lower line of it again. And on the hourly time frame, you can see here the RSI is getting lower and lower, so we will reach the oversold territory soon. This could mean that we see a next pump to the upside, because a symmetrical triangle is a continuation pattern, and as you can see here, we pumped into this, so we can expect the next move more likely to be to the upside. And let me switch over to the 4-hourly time frame. Then you can see here, because that's the big red triangle here. Let me show you guys that you can see it more in detail. As you can see here, we are right now touching the lower point of this triangle, and it's much more likely that we break out to the upside. So if you're not in the trade right now, you can, for example, you could enter a long trade based on the hourly time frame. Maybe if you get the bounce around this red support line, then you could enter long trade, and you can scale up the trade once we break above this red line here. And if you want to play it really safe, then you just wait until we have a breakout, because we could have a continuation like going on like this around these levels here. And once we have a breakout here, then we could continue much higher to the upside. As you can see here, there's some resistance coming in at $30,800, and the next one we have to break at around $31,800. Okay. So let me show you what's going on with Ethereum. We have a situation going on here. Let's see on the 4-hourly time frame. This is pretty easy to see here. Or let's even switch to the hourly time frame, guys. So you can see it, the RSI. First of all, we are trading within this descending broadening wedge, and usually this is more likely to break out to the upside. But let me show you guys here. The RSI is also getting lower and lower, so we could reach the oversold territory soon, and this could lead to a next pump to the upside. So if you're not in a trade right now, you could wait until we go lower and reach this here, and based on this we can see here we have the red support line plus we have the blue support line. We could enter long trade then and scale up the trade once we break above this level, and even scale up more once we break above this level here. If you want to play it basically really safe, because if you go lower here, we have this red support line plus the blue support line, and the RSI is getting lower. We could enter a long trade here and then scale up, or you could also take some profits, then wait and scale up the trade after this, guys. That's what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.